This is the Neapolitan Mastiff snore. Apollo doesn't usually snore this much, so he must be really tired. Some Mastiffs are really, really heavy snorers, but Apollo isn't normally that bad. My old American Bulldog Angus used to snore much more than Apollo does. So whenever Apollo does snore, I find it, of course, adorable. Oh my God, he is going to town. And then he stops. Nope, there he goes again. Speaking of going to town, you can see this is an entire couch. This is a 180-pound dog. 180 pounds of love and snoring and slobber and what else. And you can see the slobber. I clean the cushions on these sofas usually at least once a month. But I mean, he's destroyed them, so it's a very good thing that I got them for, nothing. Because if you let a Mastiff on your furniture, they will destroy it just from, the sheer amount of weight. He's not bad with furniture. He's very non-destructive. But, the cushions are squished to within... Oh my God, Apollo. Wow. And believe me, I'm zoomed in from across the living room. So I'm at the other end of the house. Which, to be fair, isn't that far. It's a small house. But I have a big yard, so that's the flip side. But still, he's snoring. It's very funny to listen to this. And quite honestly, I'm surprised. He must be really deeply asleep. Because usually he would have woken up by now by hearing me talk. And especially when I said his name. He always seems to know when there's a camera on him. As you can see from other videos, he likes the camera. He likes to snuffle at it. Because he's just nosy. But it's a nice, lazy Saturday night in the McDonald house. And Apollo just snoring away. Oh my God. I mean, I could do this forever, but we really just don't have that kind of time. So. This dog needs a sleep apnea machine, I swear. Oh. Sweetest dog ever. Love you, buddy.